Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of AI-powered content creation. We'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we write, design, and even produce videos. So grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. What is AI-powered content creation? At its core, AI-powered content creation utilizes artificial intelligence algorithms to assist in various stages of content production. This can range from simple tasks like generating ideas and writing outlines, to more complex ones like creating original text, composing music, and even generating images and videos. AI writing tools. Let's talk about AI writing tools. These incredible tools can generate articles, blog posts, social media captions, and even scripts like this one. These tools can help you overcome writer's block, improve your writing style, and even translate your content into multiple languages. Imagine needing to write 10 product descriptions quickly. An AI writing tool can generate multiple options in seconds, saving you hours of work. But remember, these tools are not meant to replace human creativity. They are meant to be a powerful assistant that helps you work smarter, not harder. AI image and video creation. Now let's talk about AI image and video creation. Need a photo of a futuristic city? No problem. Want to create a unique logo? These tools can do it. Voiceover. And when it comes to video, AI can assist with tasks like video editing, adding special effects, and even generating short video clips based on text descriptions. This opens up a world of possibilities for content creators, especially those with limited resources or technical skills. Of course, with any powerful technology, it's important to consider the ethical implications. Concerns have been raised about the potential for AI-generated content to spread misinformation, create deepfakes, and even plagiarize existing works. It's crucial to use AI responsibly and ethically. Always fact-check AI-generated content. Be transparent about the use of AI tools and prioritize originality and creativity. The future of AI-powered content creation. The future of AI-powered content creation is incredibly bright. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and innovative tools to emerge. Imagine AI assistants that can analyze audience data to personalize content, or AI-powered platforms that can automatically generate high-quality videos based on simple scripts. The possibilities are truly endless. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI, technology, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.